What is good, guys, and welcome to today's video. We're at Yashio Factory for a little bit of a behind the scenes of the super famous YouTuber Okamura-san. It's also snowing. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's snowing a fair bit right now. Maybe the camera sees it, maybe it doesn't. I don't know. Anyways, so Fukusawa-san's bringing in Okachan's car. We just did a shoot out at some car parks and stuff. Okachan's planning to do some a new episode this week on his suspension and coilovers and why it's important for all this kind of stuff. So make sure you check it out. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description. God, I love this Golf R body kit with all the extra flares and fenders. So freaking sexy hot. It is so cold today, hence the snow, obviously.
Behind the scenes.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. はい、クリアしてます。クリア。クリア。クリア。クリア。寒くて。
This is like the coldest it's been all winter. And the water was dripping off the car from the snow and the rain. So he was pretty much lying in it, and he's in his shirt.
寒くて。ちょっと。
Jacket though. How you doing? It's cold? Alright, that answers that. Because our son's putting this on the lift now, we got to film some stuff under the car to show the suspension and everything. But far out. This is the coldest it's been all winter, hey. It's finally starting to actually feel like winter. Yeah, you needed gloves. That's a first thing. Nice Yashio Factory gloves, by the way. They're going to be on the online store, sammit.net/shop. They're a special product that may not actually get sent to you, but you unlock it when you purchase a sticker pack. Get yourself some now.
What are you doing?
Getting the perfect shot.
Okay.
I call this Ochin camera. Well, we finished filming, so we're gonna go get some udon. Look at my wife's outfit right now, trying to stay warm. It's a pretty sexy outfit you got there, babe. Work it. Okachan's huddling in there as quickly as he can. It's cold, and it's on off like snow, ice, water. Yo, that thing's sick. What is that, an old Cedric crown? I can't tell. That's cool. Yes, I'm so keen for this hot udon. Look at all that. Get that beef in there. Oh, lads, you haven't lived until you've had. Oh, look at all that knee. Yes. Look at it all, it's overflowing. I'm starting to get a bit worried because it's starting to snow a fair bit now. Look at it all on your sweater. And it's only gonna get worse. Like in Chiba's a full snowstorm right now, so we need to probably head home and maybe stop by Up Garage and just get some snow tire chains or something just in case, because I only have summer tires on my car right now. So yeah, I should probably get some studless winter tires just on like some random rims and wheels to put on during winter. But I normally, the moment it starts snowing in Tokyo, it only lasts for like 2 weeks and it's over, and you just don't use your car during that time. So back home now, I hope you guys enjoyed that little bit of behind the scenes filming Okachan's video today. It's pretty much, I guess the people that are running Okachan's channel is me and May. I don't know, it's always fun filming with him. We're gonna keep doing these kind of like professional, I guess, like old school Japanese style videos that you've been seeing being uploaded to the channel and stuff, as I kind of start to teach Okachan like vlogging and stuff like that, because I think what's really going to be beneficial for everyone is that he actually gets into a vlogging mind state and starts just taking a GoPro with him and filming some really cool stuff of what he does in his life and things like that at the workshop, when he's at the track, when he's, you know, racing, drifting, all that kind of stuff, because that's when all the good information comes out. Like what you guys are getting right now is really, really good, but it's not on that kind of level of where you guys get to relate with like personally with the person, you know what I mean? And he doesn't also get to get that same feeling by talking to you guys to a camera. It's a weird thing when you get into a vlogging mindset. I know that probably didn't make any sense, but I think you guys kind of understand. Like when I talk to my camera, I feel like I'm actually talking directly to you. So I mean, people always joke about it, right? Like, oh, ha ha ha, you're my dad, or you know what I mean? And where your kids don't drop us, you know, all that kind of stuff, right? And it literally kind of becomes like that. At least for me it does. I don't know if that's weird, but yeah. So my goal is that he starts getting into a vlogging format, as well as we still do these videos like we're doing now, but it'd be cool if there was another 2 videos every week kind of thing of him just, you know, taking the camera with him, showing you what he does on a day-to-day basis, dive into tuning with the SR and stuff like that on a vlogging kind of personal one-to-one level. Anyways, we've been ranting on for 2 minutes now. Guess what arrived in the mail? DHL came through today, which I'm pumped about, so let me show you this. All right, lads, here we go. This little box arrived today. And wha-bam. You know anything about this guy here, this brand, this place in New Zealand? Shout out to everyone from New Zealand. Cheer, bro. Do us a 6 skid right now. Go out to your driveway. Don't care about your neighbors. Just do it. Actually, no, I do not condone street drifting or any illegal form of motorsport. Anyways, that aside, oh, some little bracket stuff there. Cool, cool. This is the billet piece, the money make. Ooh, some stickers. Thank you, buddy. Little Kiwi kind of logo. That's sick. All right, hang on. Let me get this billet piece out, all right? So now that I've got everything unboxed, you guys can probably tell exactly what this is, but it's no surprise because I did tell you in the previous video, this is what I was waiting for to arrive. So, this is a trigger kit from the guys over at NZ Wiring. They hooked me up with this sick package and I am really pumped to put this on the RB. The best thing about this is this costs retail, shipped to your door, cheaper than what a brand new cam angle sensor costs from Nissan for your RB. Literally, you'd be insane if you didn't get this. And here's the best thing. You can get it with the OEM plug. Literally the OEM plug. Now, bear in mind, you need to have an aftermarket ECU. You can't just plug this in if you have a factory ECU. You need a Link, a Heltec, or something like that for this to work. And this is the little like kind of trigger wheel that goes onto the face of the front of the cam. This is the sensor. It's a Bosch genuine sensor. This is normally used for ABS applications in a lot of cars and stuff like that. I forgot the correct like official type or name of this sensor, but it has like a magnet in there. I believe that's how it works, and it kind of counts all the trigger lines here. And then there's one gap there, and that's how it knows where the position is of top dead center and the cam and stuff like that. Yeah, I mean, we don't need to get technical. Beautiful billet piece of alloy that's machined to go on the front of the engine. Sensor goes in there. They've got some spaces and things like that that you might need. They give you a brand new plug too if there's something wrong with the plug on your loom, or if you're wiring it in to a new loom or something like that. So that's brilliant. I love that they included that. And overall, it's a pretty simple kit. All the instructions for how to set this up in your Link ECU and stuff like that are all on their website and really easy to follow. So I'm really pumped to throw this in tomorrow, and we'll go from there. So it's dark right now, but besides that, I've been home for quite a while and I was dying to work on the Skyline today and get that whole thing sorted out. We had the trigger kit, we had everything we needed. But the weather, as you know, has been snowing, raining, icing, but tomorrow's going to be a bright sunny day, so we'll get the Skyline sorted tomorrow. So, yeah. Super chill day today, helping Okachan out, filming, getting stock and stuff for orders where you guys have ordered Yashio Factory stuff on the Itaka Garage site, and just really crappy bad weather. So while it does suck and I had a lot of plans to try and get the Skyline finished today and have that thing running, it looks like it's going to be tomorrow, weather's clearing up, which I'm pumped about. I'm just overall just finally ready for that thing to rip again. And as long as it lasts for at least 1 month, no more problems, that would be great. I would hate to have to redo timing or change turbos or anything like that. I mean, if that happens, I'm just gonna sideline the thing. Like, that's it, I'm done. We'll deal with it when we rebuild everything, you know what I mean? Like if anything else happens, but you know, yeah, there's that. I'm just happy that the car's got good compression. It seems like everything's gonna be fine and it should be good. So I'm really looking forward to, I guess after tomorrow, getting the car running, getting the tune sorted out, configuring the ECU for the new trigger kit. That trigger kit seriously looks so good. I'm so pumped to just see the differences because like with those kinds of kits and stuff, you can get your timing more accurate, and because of that, you can, you know, get to that get closer to that line of where your engine starts to get knock and stuff like that, right? So you can get closer to that line, as in, instead of just being safe and staying like, you know, a fair amount of degrees away from what that line would be, you can get closer to it because your timing's way more accurate, which essentially is horsepower that you haven't harnessed yet, you haven't unlocked yet. So that's the real benefit to using those kind of trigger kits, as well as just upgrading something that's like, what I would say the technology that's in that old trigger kit is probably like 30 years old, probably older. And yeah, because they were like out, yeah, well past 30 years, probably 35 years, that kind of technology. Upgrading it to something that's of this century and this era is very, very cool. And that's why, like, I always recommend to people, like, before you start modifying your car, save up and get yourself a really good aftermarket ECU, like a Heltec or a Link. I recommend Link over everything right now on the market, just because it's more bang for your buck. You get all the same features as things like Heltec and stuff like that, and it goes into the initial, like, uses the same loom. The plug-in ones, obviously you can get a complete aftermarket solution, and with wiring loom and different plugs and stuff like that. But yeah, obviously if you want to use your same engine loom that's in your car, you can get their plug-in solutions, which are just epic. And Link's really just, oh, they're doing a bunch of good stuff for the automotive industry. What is wrong with me? I can't speak. I'm wrecked. I'm tired. I don't know why. I need to edit this video. Anyways, guys, I still hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a lot of talking, me showing you some products, some behind the scenes of what happened at Yashio Factory this morning, but still, I hope you enjoyed it, and understand that weather sometimes happens. This is daily content, and this is what happens. So yeah, it's life. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out. Jamata.